Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel Being CA with Preet. I hope you all are doing good. In today's video, we are going to discuss all about advance tax. So let's get started with it. The first thing, now what is advance tax? Advance tax is a tax which is paid in advance instead of paying in lump sum amount after the year end. Advance tax is commonly known as pay as you earn tax. इसका मतलब हमें हमारे एंटायर ईयर का टैक्स इंस्टॉलमेंट्स में पे करना है as per the due dates provided by the income tax department. Now let's move further towards who is liable to pay this advance tax. Firstly, all salaried persons, businessmen, or any other taxpayer whose income tax liability is 10,000 or more in any financial year, then he is liable to pay advance tax. Secondly, persons who have opted under Section 44AD. Section 44AD is for businessmen. Even those who have opted this presumptive income scheme under Section 44AD are also liable to pay advance tax. Thirdly, persons who have opted under Section 44ADA. The Section 44ADA is for independent professionals like doctors, lawyers, architects, etc. They are also liable to pay advance tax. Now let's move further towards the due dates for advance tax. For both individuals and corporate taxpayers, the due dates are: their first installment goes on or before 15 June, that is till 15 June, they have to pay 15% of the advance tax payable. Second installment is to be paid on or before 15 September. Till 15 September, 45% of the advance tax has to be paid. Third installment is on or before 15 December. Till 15 December, 75% of advance tax has to be paid. Last installment, that is the fourth installment, that is to be paid on or before 15th March. Till 15th March, 100% of advance tax has to be paid by the taxpayer. Now for taxpayers who have opted for presumptive taxation scheme under Section 44AD and 44ADA, the due date will be on or before 15th March. That means those taxpayers have to pay only one installment of advance tax, that is 100% of advance tax has to be paid till 15th March. They can also make payment till 31st March. That is also alright in their case. Now let's move forward to the important part of the video, that is how to calculate this advance tax liability. For this, I am going to explain you with an example. Let's assume we are calculating advance tax liability for Mr. Vijay. He is a businessman and we are going to calculate his advance tax liability for the financial year 21-22, that is the current financial year. So let's assume that he has estimated his entire gross receipts for this financial year to be 22 lakhs and his estimated expenses for this year will be 13 lakhs. In that case, his income from business will be 9 lakhs. Also, his interest from FDs is 20,000 for this year. So, his income from other sources will be 20,000. Therefore, his gross total income will be 9,20,000. Moving further towards the deductions, he has paid his LIC premium for this financial year of 25,000 and also taken a mediclaim of 10,000. So he'll be getting the deduction of both 25,000 and 10,000, that is a deduction of 35,000, that is a total deduction of 35,000. Therefore, after deducting these deductions, his total taxable income will be 8,85,000 and the tax payable on the same, including cess of 4%, will be 93,080 rupees. Also, let's assume his estimated TDS for this financial year will be 33,000. After deducting this TDS amount from the tax payable amount, his tax payable in advance will be 60,080 rupees. So let's go with that 60,000 is his advance tax liability for this particular financial year. That means he has to pay his first installment till 15 June, that is 15% of advance tax. 15% of 60,000, that is 9,000 till 15 June. Mr. Vijay has to pay his second installment till 15 September. That means his 45% of advance tax liability shall be paid till 15th September. Now 45% of 60,000 is 27,000. Since he has already paid 9,000 till 15 June, so now for the second installment, he has to pay 27,000 minus 9,000, that is 18,000 on or before 15th September. Now let's move to the third installment, that is 75% of advance tax. 75% is 45,000 in this case. So Mr. Vijay has to pay 45,000 minus the other two installments, that is 9,000 and 18,000, which comes to 18,000 as his third installment. Now for the last installment, his entire advance tax liability shall be paid till 15th March. So after deducting all first three installments from 60,000, the fourth installment comes to 15,000. So he'll be paying 15,000 for his fourth installment. I hope the advance tax calculation is clear to you now. Now we'll be discussing some frequently asked questions related to advance tax. First one being, are senior citizens liable to advance tax? As we have already discussed about the persons who are liable to pay advance tax, I will also like you to note that resident senior citizens which are not having any business income or professional income, they are not liable to pay advance tax. Second question, that is, what if a person does not pay advance tax? If any person has not paid advance tax on the specified due dates, then he'll be liable to pay interest under Section 234B and 234C of Income Tax Act. Now the third question is an NRI liable for payment of advance tax? My answer to this question is, अगर किसी NRI की Indian income 10,000 से ज़्यादा है, तभी उसे advance tax की payment करनी है. Otherwise, he is not liable to pay advance tax. Now, the fourth and the last question we are going to discuss is how to make advance tax payment online. To make advance tax payment online, you need to follow these 6 steps. Firstly, you need to visit the tin.nsdl website. I'll share the link for the same in my description box. In case you want any other help, you can always ask in my comment section. Once you go to this website, this screen will pop up. You will be able to see all the forms available on this website. Secondly, you need to select Challan number 280. Once you select Challan number 280, you need to click on Proceed. Thirdly, after proceeding with Challan 280, you need to enter the tax applicable, types of payment, mode of payment, your PAN number, assessment year, and any other details mentioned in that form. Fourth step is you need to ensure that you double check all the information that you have filled in the Challan number 280 before making the payment. Fifth step is once you enter all the details in the Challan number 280, you will be redirected to the bank's website to complete the payment process. Sixth and the final step is once the payment is made, you will get a tax receipt on the next screen on which you can see the payment details, the CIN number, the BSR code of your bank, and you can save a copy of the same for your future reference. You will need to enter the BSR code and the Challan serial number while filing your income tax return. So now I hope all these concepts are clear to you. Even then, if you find any query related to this advance tax or this video, you can always post that in my comment section. We'll definitely reply to you very soon. Thank you all for watching this video. I hope this video will help you to understand all about advance tax in an easier, understandable way. If you find this video useful, do give it a like and share it with your friends and colleagues. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Being Safe with Preet for more such tax related videos. Thank you.